Hello there. Welcome to our channel. A metal shoe rack offers a practical, durable, and often stylish solution for organizing footwear in homes, entryways, closets, and commercial settings. Metal as a material brings strength, longevity, and flexibility in form that accommodates a wide range of shoe types and storage philosophies. From compact stackable racks for small apartments to heavy-duty industrial-style units for garages and mudrooms. When well designed, metal shoe racks combine load-bearing capability with thoughtful ergonomics, airflow for drying and odor control, and finishes that resist abrasion and corrosion while complementing interior decor. One of the primary advantages of metal shoe racks is structural strength relative to size. Thin-walled steel tubing, cold-rolled steel, and welded wire shelves can support substantial loads, pairs of boots, heavy winter footwear, or stacks of shoes, without requiring bulky supports. This allows designers to create open, airy units that maximize visible storage while minimizing footprint. Metal frames can be engineered to span wider distances without sagging, permitting open shelving that avoids the hidden, cramped feel of enclosed cabinetry. For commercial uses or for households with many heavy boots and work shoes, heavier gauge steel with reinforced cross members provides long-term stability and safety. Material choice affects performance and maintenance. Stainless steel is prized for its corrosion resistance and hygiene. It resists rust from wet shoes and is easy to clean, making it suitable for entryway racks and shower-side storage. Cold-rolled or galvanized steel offers economical strength and can be finished with durable powder coatings to resist moisture and abrasion. Hot-dip galvanizing provides deeper corrosion protection for outdoor or semi-exposed uses. Aluminum is an attractive option where low weight and resistance to corrosion are needed. It is especially useful for portable racks or when mounting to lightweight wall structures. Less expensive metal racks often use plated or painted carbon steel. Quality of surface treatment matters greatly, because scratching or chipping can expose bare steel to oxidation where moisture and salts accumulate. Ventilation is a functional benefit of many metal shoe rack designs. Wire shelving and slatted metal shelf allow air circulation around shoes, promoting drying of damp footwear and reducing the buildup of odors and mold. Perforated metal shelves offer a balance between continuous support for heels and thin-soled shoes and sufficient open area for ventilation and dust management. Open designs also simplify cleaning. Dust and debris fall through the shelves and are easy to sweep or vacuum from the floor beneath the rack, and removable shelves enable occasional deep cleaning or disinfecting when needed. Design variety spans simple single-tier racks to multi-tier, modular, and stackable systems. Basic 2- or 3-tier racks suited for entryways prioritize low height for seated shoe removal, while tall, multi-tiered units fit into narrow closet recesses and hold many pairs. Wall-mounted racks and floating shelves free floor space and can be installed at user-friendly heights. They require careful anchoring, particularly when supporting heavy boots. Modular systems with removable shelves, adjustable spacing, and stackable components provide flexibility. As shoe collections grow or household needs change, racks can be reconfigured without replacement. For densely populated homes, combination units that include cubbies, drawers, or bench tops for sitting while putting shoes on merge storage with functional furniture elements. Ergonomics and accessibility are important design aspects. Shelf depth and spacing must accommodate different shoe types. Sleek dress shoes require less depth than bulky winter boots. Angled shelves can aid visibility and access, allowing shoes to be displayed at a slight incline so toes point downward and the wearer can quickly identify and reach pairs. For children's footwear, lower tiers and shallower shelves prevent tipping and improve independent access. Benchtop shoe racks provide seating and storage in one, and integrated handles or edges help with mobility for elderly users who may rely on the rack for steadying themselves while dressing. Aesthetic choices make metal shoe racks adaptable to varied interiors. Minimalist, powder-coated steel in black, white, or muted tones blends well with Scandinavian and modern decors. Polished stainless or chrome fits contemporary and industrial styles, while matte and textured coatings reduce glare and fingerprint visibility. Combining metal frames with wooden shelves or tops softens the look and introduces warmth. Reclaimed wood can lend a rustic character, and is often paired with darker metal frames for visual contrast. Decorative brazing, rolled edges, or pattern perforation can elevate a utilitarian object into an attractive design feature in an entry hall or bedroom. Durability and maintenance are practical concerns that influence long-term satisfaction. Joints and welds should be robust. Spot-welded wire shelving must be inspected for weak points if used for heavy loads. Powder-coated surfaces that chip can be touched up, but large exposed areas of rust should be addressed by sanding, priming, and recoating to prevent spread. Removable foot caps or glides on rack legs protect floors from scratches and can be replaced when worn. For outdoor or semi-outdoor racks exposed to rain and salted winter conditions, selecting hot-dip galvanizing or stainless steel is advisable to avoid corrosion-driven failures and staining. Customization options extend functionality. Built-in shoe trays or drip pans positioned under lower tiers collect water and dirt. They are especially valuable in climates with snow, slush, or frequent rain. Integrated hooks along rack sides allow storage of umbrellas, shoehorns, or boot brushes, consolidating entryway accessories. Locking cabinets or enclosed cubbies provide security and dust protection for higher-end footwear, while transparent acrylic doors offer visibility without exposure. For households that launder athletic gear frequently, racks with removable trays and washable liners or compartments can simplify hygiene maintenance. Sustainability and life cycle considerations are gaining attention. Metal materials are highly recyclable, and specifying recycled content steel or aluminum reduces embodied carbon. Designers and manufacturers who use powder coating processes with low VOC profiles, or who design for disassembly using mechanical fasteners rather than permanent adhesives, make it easier to repair, refurbish, and ultimately recycle components. Purchasing a well-built metal shoe rack can be a more sustainable choice than repeatedly replacing lower-quality wooden or plastic racks that fail prematurely. Safety and regulatory aspects, while less pronounced than in structural or electrical products, still matter. Edges should be rolled or hemmed to avoid sharpness, where users might handle shelves frequently. Load ratings and manufacturer guidelines for maximum pairs per shelf or total load should be followed to avoid tipping or collapse. Tall units might require wall anchoring to prevent toppling, particularly in households with small children. Stability is enhanced by wider bases or bracing elements and by evenly distributing heavy footwear across lower tiers to lower the center of gravity. Commercial and institutional applications illustrate the range of metal shoe rack use beyond the domestic sphere. Gyms, locker rooms, and dance studios use welded wire or perforated metal racks that withstand heavy, continuous use, and are easy to sanitize. Retail shoe stores rely on modular, attractive metal displays that highlight product lines while allowing easy restocking. Industrial and agricultural settings use heavy-gauge racks for boots and safety footwear, often with labeled or numbered compartments for inventory control and hygiene management. Cost and value considerations vary with materials and features. Simple wire or tubular steel racks are cost-effective and adequate for many households, while solid stainless steel or artisan-finished racks command higher prices but deliver long-term resilience and premium appearance. Investing in corrosion-resistant finishes and modularity often pays off through reduced replacement frequency and better adaptability to changing needs. In sum, metal shoe racks provide robust, adaptable storage that addresses practical demands, supporting heavy footwear, promoting airflow and drying, and simplifying maintenance, while offering broad design flexibility to suit diverse interiors. Considerations of material, finish, ventilation, ergonomics, customization, and sustainability guide effective selection and long-term satisfaction. Whether chosen for a small apartment's entryway or a high-traffic commercial locker room, a well-specified metal shoe rack helps organize space, protect flooring, and extend the life of footwear through proper storage and care. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay